Hey you guys, Bubba Sawyer here. Sorry about the lawnmower in the background. This is my partner, S55. All original saw. I can't say much for the bar because it had a 16-inch hard-nosed steel bar on it. I took that off and I put this gray bar that I believe that one time was a Husqvarna bar, but it's kind of wore off, or it might have been I believe it's a 20-inch hard nose bar of no, it's an Oregon. Sorry, see if I can fix it where you see. It's an Oregon bar. Thought it was a Husqvarna bar. I ain't got my glasses on. It's the S55 partner. Only bit of paint scones back here. Thinking about masking it off and put some gloss to it. Maybe shot it with a little bit of clear coat or something back there, but yeah, saw the shape of it reminds me of a steel kind of. Got that muffler there. Everything's all original. I forget what I gave for this, but I know it wasn't much. Old man had it, so it was too heavy for him to yank and jerk on it. I'll get camera set up here and I'll start her up for you and let you hear. She's been sitting over in my trailer where I had been cutting the floor up. Ain't been started in a while. I'm not sure if it'll even start though. But it's got gas in it. The Pioneer partner S55. Says push to start, pull to choke, pull to choke, push to start. Or push to start, pull to stop. See, push to run, pull to push, run, choke, pull, start. That's kind of confusing. Yeah, I don't know. Needs a decompressor on this thing. It's heat up with compression. I thought it had one on it, but it ain't, apparently. Let's see. It idles kind of high. See if I can turn the idle down and I'll restart it for you. A little bit better. Still could be turned on down. You gotta pull the choke out and get it behind the carburetor there to turn it. It's kind of odd, but here it is. Bottom of it ain't too bad. A little bit of scrapes where it's set mostly. But yeah, it's a nice saw. It's got the power to it. Wanted me a partner. That P39 was in the box, all tore apart. But here's this one.